What the heck was that? I was just recording for weird noises and yeah, that was very weird. Let's see if we can catch another one. What did we just catch? That sounded like a heartbeat. Oh my god.